Struggling with slow manual pasting and inconsistent book alignment? Upgrade your production line with the KY-V400B automatic Flyleaf pasting machine, engineered by Kylin machinery for heavy-duty industrial use. It delivers a blazing speed of up to 4,800 pieces per hour, built with a robust 860 kilograms heavy-duty cast framework. It effectively eliminates resonance and ensures zero vibration at high speeds. Our precision feeding system guarantees smooth, uninterrupted sheet handling, completely eliminating misfeeds and paper jams for sheets 60 GSM and above. The optimized gluing unit applies a perfect, even layer of adhesive, with no glue overflow, keeping your end papers pristine every single time. It supports a wide size range from 155 by 100 mm up to 580 by 310 mm. The ideal solution for hardcover books, notebooks, and photo albums.